So, welcome to the modified contents of robotic drive systems. So, we'll be discussing about the servo motors. So, in the servo motor, it is a motor used to go with the precise control motion. It has got motor, controller, feedback device, and a drive circuit. So, the motor it is going to produce mechanical motion. Controllers are meant to give the control signals to the motor for proper operation. So in the feedback device, there have been encoder where it is going to measure the position or speed in terms of increment. The least value of the measurement what we can do is 1 degree. So there will be a drive circuit which is going to amplify the control signal. The working controller sends a signal to the servo motor. The motor rotates to the desired position. A feedback device measures the position. If there is an error, the controller corrects the movement until the required position is reached. This closed loop system ensures high accuracy and stability. So under servo motor, there are AC servo motor and DC servo motor. So in the AC servo motor, it operates with AC supply. It can be used for high power and industrial applications. The features of the AC servo motor is it has got high efficiency, high speed, good reliability. The applications of servo motors are CNC machines, industrial automation, and robotics. The DC servo motor operates with the DC supply. The features of the DC servo motor it is easy speed control, fast response, good torque control. Applications is robotics, antenna, positioning system, precision instruments. Like this, the DC servo motors can be used. Advantages of the DC servo motor is it is very accurate in position control. The overall response is really fast. The efficiency when we compare with the other motors, it has got high efficiency. The overall operations, it has got the smooth operation. Disadvantage is that the system is more complex, higher the cost compared to the normal motors. It requires the feedback devices. Applications of the servo motors are used in the robotics systems, CNC machine, industrial automation, radar and antenna, camera and control systems, aircraft control systems. Like this, it has got a vast application. So AC servo motor, it's a type of servo motor that operates with a AC current supply. It is used for the precision control of position, speed and torque in the control system. It is used in the industrial automation and robotics widely. The main parts of the AC servo motor are it has got a stator, rotor and the feedback device. The stator it will be having windings, it will be having main windings and the control windings. So here in the rotor it will be a squirrel cage rotor or a track up rotor. So there will be an encoder to give the feedback about the position or the speed which is happening. So the AC servo motor operates on the principle of two-phase induction motor operation. The reference winding is supplied with constant AC voltage. The control winding receives a control signal. The interaction between these two magnetic fields produces torque. The rotor rotates accordingly to the control signal. The feedback devices continuously monitor position and correct errors. So the characteristics of the AC servo motor it is the inertia of the motor it is low. The overall response of the motor it is fast. When you take accuracy comparison, it has got high accuracy. The overall stability of the motor it is good. The advantages of the AC servo motor is the overall efficiency is high. The reliability when we count of the operation it is reliable. For high speed applications it is suitable. The overall life what we expect for this it's a long life. The disadvantages it is complex control systems, higher the cost, requires feedback devices. So this is a disadvantage. So AC servo motors are used in CNC machines, robotics, industrial automation systems, antenna position system, packaging machines. Like this it is extended to various automation systems where we can work to the maximum extent. So here applications are not only limited to these systems, it can be extended to other systems also. So further, if we extend it to DC motor, The current what we use in the DC motor, it is alternating current. The construction of the DC servo motor, it has got a stator, rotor, commutator brushes, feedback device and controller. So the stator of the DC servo motor, it is going to produce magnetic field. Armature is the rotating part where the current flows. Commutator and brushes supply current to the armature. Feedback device encoder or potentiometer for position feedback. Controller, it is going to control the motor operation. So working principle, it is the controller sends a control signal to the DC servo motor. The motor rotates according to the input signal. The feedback device measures the output of the position or the speed of the motor. If there is any error between the desired and the actual position, the controller adjusts the control movements. This closed system provides high accuracy and precise control. So these are all the qualities of a DC servo.